Video we are going to see about the DDoS attack or DOS attack. Okay, so first of all we have to install the tool called Hammer. So just type git clone space the link. Okay, I will just directly put this link here. You can get this link from our Telegram channel, or you can just screenshot this. This is the DDoS attack tool. Okay, so this will basically install this tool. Basically, DDoS attack is a cyber attack in which the perpetrator seeks to make a machine or a network resources unavailable to its user by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of host connected to the internet. So, okay, so we have to change the directory. The installation is complete. So type cd DDoS attack. Now list. Okay, so just start to start the tool. We have to type Python space the tool DDoS. Okay, so first of all we have to give the storage permission. So type chmod plus x plus the tool name, that is DDoS-attack.py. Okay, so DDoS attack is done by flooding with superfluous request in an attempt to overload system and prevent some or all legitimate requests from being fulfilled. Okay, so here we are going to perform this DDoS attack. Okay, so hit enter. So we have gained the tool the storage permission. Now we have to type Python space the tool name DDoS-attack.py and hit enter. So this will start the tool, sorry, .py. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so it has started the tool. Now we have to give the IP address of the website. So for giving this, you can just use nslookup. So type nslookup space the website name and hit enter. Okay, so we have got the IP address. Now just copy this IP address, the IP version 6. Just copy this. This is the IP version 4 of the website. Now just paste this IP in the IP target, paste selection and hit enter. Okay, so you can use any port like 4444 or port 80 or port 21. I will use here port 21 and hit enter. Okay, so this will start the DDoS attack. Okay, 25%. Okay, do not try this because this tool shows your IP address to the system. So be aware, do not use this for illegal purposes. Use this for only for educational purposes and only if you have educational right. Okay, so the packets, that is the request, are being sent to the IP address to port various ports. Okay, so see, now the website is loading fast and after some time it will be just slow down. Okay, so the website has been slowed down. It will took more time for loading. Okay, as you can see, the website is under DDoS attack. Okay, so what hackers or crackers do is they put a DDoS attack on big websites and ask ransomware to remove this DDoS attack. So the DDoS attack could be converted into a huge loss to a business, companies, hotels, etc. Do not try DDoS attack on the same website that we have tried, because now it is secured, so your DDoS attack will not be successful. Choose your own website to hack or use your own IP address to hack. I mean, put a DDoS attack or any of your friends for doing a prank for any kind of educational purposes. Okay, as you can see, we cannot load the website. The packets are being sent. So this type is called as flooding. As I said before, it is done by flooding with superfluous request. Okay, I will just open a new tab, close the first one, and here type the website. So as you can see, it will took more time. Okay, see, the website isn't been loading. After some time it will say that connection failed. Okay, as you can see, the website isn't been loading. The packets are being sent, as you can see. Okay, so for stopping this DDoS attack, just simply press Ctrl plus C. Okay, so the website is now back. As you can see, the website is now opening. Okay, so DDoS attack complete. Paste Ctrl plus C.